Hi everyone, it's Julia here with the second tutorial for the Discobedience flash mob, and we're going to teach the bridge section this time, and it's going to be so easy. You'll be like, that's it, and I'm like, yeah, that's it. So I'm going to turn my back to you, so you can just pretend I'm right in front of you, and we're going to go the same. If I say right, it's your right, so you don't have to worry about mirroring. So we're just going to do that roly-poly step. Remember the roly-poly back, so it goes roly-poly, feet and hands go back. Do that 4 times. 3, 4. Then you're going to do a step, turn, step, touch to go to the right. Step, turn, step, touch your foot, and to the left. 1, 2, 3. Touch your foot, and then the music goes where, and you're going to do right shoulder 1, 2, 3, 4. And some people like to go forward. 3, 4, and some people like to take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get to choose which one you want to do. And then it just repeats again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, turn, step, touch. 1, 2, 3. You can clap if you want. And then 4 little tugs. Wah. And then it goes right back into the 3rd verse. So you do 2 verses and then this little bridge. Okay, you ready with music? Yeah, you are. Let's do it. So it finishes here. Up. This is where the 2nd verse finishes. John Travolta position. Here we go. Step, turn, step, touch. Chugging. 4 steps again. Step, turn, step, touch. 4 chugs. Here we go into the walks, 3rd verse. You know it. I hope I get to dance with you soon. Take care, everybody.